friend! Yan, di pa tayo tapos sa book ni John Gray, pero malapit-lapit na din po. What your mother couldn't tell you and your father didn't know. Still about man and woman relationship. Some tips on how we could understand our partner, our children, our co-employees na men. Why women stop appreciating the little things. So, ang story natin still about Mary and Tom. So, sabi ni Tom, nung nagde-date sila, no matter what I did, Mary seemed to be happy. So, nung naging mag-asawa na sila, feeling niya, hindi niya na-appreciate ni Mary. So, we are being told by Sir John Gray that even if we are married, dapat ma-appreciate pa rin natin. We know they do things for us. We know that they buy food, they bring us to work, they help us clean the house. But yung man natin wants to still receive appreciation for these things. Say thank you, or I'm happy that you're doing this for me, that you brought me at the office, or that you brought me pasalubong tonight. So, man would rather a woman do less for him and appreciate more what he does for her. So, they are looking for our appreciation. So, baka yun yung nakakalimutan natin and they're still looking for it. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.